Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 10. Just want to do a quick check in. Hope you're doing well. We're going to look at APA style a little bit more in this week because the goal is to really prepare you for your upcoming APA project, which is, of course, your paper and presentation. So you should be well on your way to that. In today's lecture, you'll see some information in there. There's an APA quiz listed out in the lecture. However, I'm not going to require that this semester. Instead, we're doing the week 10 review, which is what we've been kind of doing this entire semester, and I think that's been more helpful. So this is going to help you with your writing, your sentence structure. Make sure you're well on your way based on this information on your paper, and you don't have to rush through things, so you're ready to go by the time that it's due. And it's due end of the month, 8/29 through 9/6, I believe. That's Sunday, so be sure to have everything ready to review your material, and you should be good to go. If you need anything, of course, reach out. Happy to help in any way I can. Thanks so much.